jumping the gate and not hitting it. That is the reason that Jett Lawrence was hit with the 1 lap penalty after Moto 1 at Ironman. And I'm going to say this. I think they actually did a really good job at explaining this. Just like most major sports, if there's a rule that doesn't get seen very often, they bring somebody on and they explain it, which they did. Mike Peltier, depending on how you want to say it, was brought on and explained this, and it's for jumping or fouling the gate. And, they're talking about how Chase Sexton did this back in Supercross and they hit the gate. And there's a difference between hitting it and what Lawrence did, where he hit the gate, pushed it actually forward, and then continued to start. Like, when you see the actual video, does he get a jump start, everybody? Barely, yes. I mean, he is technically in front of everybody else when he starts. Does it actually screw him in the long run? Yes, because he hit the gate, stopped, continued to go, and the gate is going forward, he still has to push over it. You see, hits it right there, back tire lands, continues to go. So yes, does he get a horrible start in the long run? Yes, he is almost last place considering everybody else actually just gets to go. But you can see that his gate is facing forward and everybody else's is facing backwards. That is the reason for this. And apparently this is starting procedure in the rulebook 1.8.9 section C or something like that. It's either like a 1 lap penalty or a DQ. So you got to say, if you're him, you're probably happy it's a 1 lap penalty. You're mad because it's something stupid, but hits it right there. Gate starts to go forward and he just continues to go. I mean, doesn't pull it back, doesn't let the gate drop like it normally should. It is what it is. And I've seen a bunch of people so mad about this, saying the AMA is horrible and how they enforce this. It's a set rule. It's in the rule book. It's not something that somebody saw this happen, goes, I guess today we're going to give him a 1 lap, and tomorrow it might be a 5 second or something. No, this is a set rule in the rule book. It doesn't happen very often because, normally if you hit these gates, they get stuck in under your fender and you have to pull the bike back and then they drop and you have a horrible start. This just happened to go the other direction. For him, it's nominal. And you got to be happy for him that it is a 17th finished overall instead of a DQ. I think at the moment he finished 6th overall. I mean, going 17-1, it's not exactly the worst thing in the world. This title is pretty well wrapped up for him. Can't really worry about that all that much. And it's just one of those funny things that I see, you see people on the internet just freaking out about this. Oh, look what they did to Jett Lawrence. Oh, the AMA sucks. It's like, it's an established rule. You have to abide by the things that are written down. And yes, this probably never comes up because how often does this happen? How often does a guy run into the gate, it falls forward, and he just continues to jump start? I mean, it's a racing thing. Every sport has to have one of these, false start, jump start, whatever you want to call it, rules. And to me, I have no problem with this. I don't hate Jett Lawrence. I'm kind of indifferent to him. He's an absolutely incredible talent. But when something happens like this, there has to be a penalty for it. And if it's already established in a rule book, I see absolutely no problem for giving the penalty. It's just what it is. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good penalty, bad penalty. Are you bored with outdoors because, the titles are basically over? Do you hate Jett Lawrence like a lot of people? Are you a super fanboy for him? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.